Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your forgotten Snapchat account password on Android. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone and we will change our Snapchat account password on this device. Okay, so just find your Snapchat app. So here is my Snapchat app. After that, tap on this to open it. Okay, so it's now opened, guys. And guys, you can see that I'm already logged out of my Snapchat account. If you haven't, just log out from Snapchat account. Okay, and guys, if you don't know how to log out from your Snapchat account, there is a video link in the description of this video. You can go there and learn it. Okay, so after that, just tap on this login, this button. Okay, and here you need to provide your username or email. Okay, so I'm providing my username over here, so let me provide that. Okay, and after that, guys, you have to tap on this forgot your password. Okay, this link, so let me tap on this. Okay, and here we have this pop-up. Please choose how you want to reset your password. Okay, here we have two buttons, via phone, via email. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to use this via phone option. You can also change it via email if you have provided your email address. Okay, so let me tap on this via phone. Okay, and just tap on this allow Snapchat to phone. Just tap on this allow this link. Okay, and you have to provide your mobile number. Okay, you can see what's your mobile number. So just provide your country code by tapping over here. Okay, you can provide your country code. So let me find mine. Okay, so here is my country and this is the country code. So after that, after finding your country and then country code, just tap on this. Okay, so let me tap over here, and after that just provide your phone number over here. So let me provide mine. Okay, and after that tap on this continue button. So let me tap on this continue button, and here we have this little pop-up. We will send a verification code to whatever your phone number. To complete your phone number verification, enter the 6-digit verification code. Okay, so here we have two options, send via SMS and then call me. Okay, so I am tapping on this send via SMS. So let me tap on this send via SMS. Okay, enter confirmation code, enter the code we sent to. Okay, it's entered automatically. You can see that here I got the code. Okay, and here we have this screen, set a password. Set a good password by using a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers and symbols. Okay, so just provide your new password over here. So let me provide mine. Okay, after that confirm your password. Okay, and after you're done, just tap on this continue button. So let me tap on this continue button, and you can see your password has been updated. This message I got. Okay, so it's now done, guys. So let me tap on this. You can see I got this a message also in my Gmail. Okay, so here I have this login button. So let me tap on this login. Okay, so just provide your username or email, whatever you have. I have username, and let me provide my new password, and let's see whether I'm able to log in or not. Okay, it's done. After that, tap on this login button. So let me tap on this login button. Allow Snapchat to access your camera and local storage to take photos and videos, detect screenshots and more. Okay, so I'm tapping on this turn on button. Tap on this allow button, this link. Allow Snapchat to access photos, media and files on your device. Yes, I'm tapping on this allow. Okay, allow Snapchat to record audio. Yes, I'm tapping on this allow. Okay, guys, so you can see that I am logged into my Snapchat account by using my new password. Okay, so if I tap on this my profile icon at the top left, you can see this is my profile page. Okay, guys, so that's it. In this way you can easily change your forgotten Snapchat account password on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.